Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dell monitor to MacBook Pro via HDMI. Easy method, step by step, clearly. Begin by gathering your equipment, which includes your Dell monitor, MacBook Pro, and an HDMI cable. Check the ports available on your MacBook Pro. Most models feature HDMI ports, while some may require an adapter. If your MacBook Pro does not have an HDMI port, connect the appropriate adapter to your USB-C or Thunderbolt port. Locate the HDMI port on your Dell monitor. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on your Dell monitor. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your MacBook Pro's HDMI port or the adapter you are using. Once the connection is made, turn on your Dell monitor if it's not already powered on. Your MacBook Pro should automatically detect the monitor. If the display does not appear, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, click on Displays. Hold down the Option key and click on the Detect Displays button that appears. Make sure to select the appropriate display settings, such as mirror displays if you want to show the same content on both screens. Adjust the resolution settings as needed for optimal viewing. Once you're satisfied with the display settings, close the System Preferences window. You have now successfully connected your Dell monitor to your MacBook Pro via HDMI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.